I would like to welcome you to my CIST 2371 Java Programming 1 class. My name is Tony Cantrell and I will be your instructor this semester. My job is to help you succeed in the course. If you are having trouble with an assignment and have done all that you can do to figure it out, then you need to contact me for help. The fastest way to contact me is by text. I will reply to your text as soon as I see it. But if I am lecturing, it may take a while before I see it. I check my email multiple times per day, but there may be hours in between times. This semester we will learn how to develop applications using the Java programming language. Java is popular among professional programmers because it can be used to build visually interesting graphical user interface and web-based applications. Java provides an excellent environment for a beginning programmer to quickly build useful programs while learning the basics of structured and object-oriented programming techniques. This textbook assumes that you have little or no programming experience. It provides a solid background in good object-oriented programming techniques and introduces terminology using clear, familiar language. The programming examples are business examples. They do not assume a mathematical background beyond high school business math. In addition, the examples illustrate only one or two major points. They do not contain so many features that you become lost, following irrelevant and extraneous details. Now let's talk a little bit about how the course is set up. Over here on the left is a navigation menu, and it contains different buttons. The course information button contains the syllabus, the textbook information, my information, and here's the cell phone number if you want to text me. Then the due dates. It contains that when each chapter is due. As you notice, we're going to cover 6 chapters this semester and then a final exam. Assignments are broken down by chapters. You can click on the chapter and it will tell you what's going to be covered throughout the chapter. Notice that we're going to have a PowerPoint for each chapter and then 2 programming exercises. One of the exercises we're going to follow a case problem. The programming exercise and the case drop box are where you will submit your completed work. You also have a quiz for a test. The quiz can be taken multiple times. The test can only be taken once. And you also have a link to your discussion board. The discussion board you must post once and reply to 2 other students. There's also links in here over the navigation menu to the discussion boards. As you see, we're going to have 3 discussion boards that pertain to course materials. You're going to have an introduction discussion that you must post one time and reply to 2 other students. This must be done by the 7th day of the semester or your bill will be reported as a no-show. This Hey Does Anyone Know How To? This is where you can post a question to see if you can get help from fellow students. The send email. This is where you send email to me or any students in the class or all students in the class. All emails pertaining to this course needs to be sent through Blackboard. Let me repeat that. All email pertaining to this course needs to be sent through Blackboard. Don't just send it from your personal email account. The announcement section contains all announcements for the class. These announcements automatically display in the course depending on the date. For example, the week we are covering Chapter 1, the Chapter 1 announcement will display. The calendar contains all due dates for the course assignments. NetTutor is a comprehensive online tutoring service for all levels of college courses, and it's free to you as a student. My grades display your grades for all the assignments. I hope this video was helpful.